Okay, got oil on all these and kind of getting ready to put it back together. I'm going to take this bolt apart later. Don't really remember too much how this goes. I'm thinking this goes here, and then this goes here because it has threads. And I'm just going to use this to push this back on. Oh, that's pretty tight. I think I can get one more. Nope. So we'll back it off right there. Let's see here. This goes like this. This is the spring and the bolt. There's that castle nut screw and the this needs to go in here like so. So that goes there. This castle nut screw has to go through here in order to go on here. And then I'm just screwing that castle nut on, which is forcing this back. Doesn't have to be that tight. Oh shit. I think this had to go on somewhere here. Crap! So this goes here. And I think this has got to go here. And I left that off. So all this has to come off. So that comes off. This comes out. This comes unscrewed. Oh crap. So that slides off. Now this has to be banged off. Damn it. Oh shit, I forgot to take that out. So that should come right off here. I'm using a rubber mallet and doing these little soft taps to get this off so I don't damage this hole right here. So this comes off, and now this has to go on. Here. Shit, oh, look at this. This is going to clip on here. This is going to go, oh, so I guess it does go right there. Okay. So that goes there. This goes here. Holds that on. So take this off now. I can't bang this on a little bit just to get these screws to show, so I can put this on here and thread it, and then allow it to push it. And now this is going to push this back into place. Wow. Okay, so that pushes it all the way back in. It won't go any further, so I'll have to back this out, put that in there. That goes in here. This goes back on here with the castle nut in the middle. Castle nut little opening has to face here because there's a screw that goes in to stop this castle nut from backing out. So as I slide this on, did I mention I'm not a fan of castle nuts? So that's pushed on there pretty good. This is lined up now. For some reason, this is not screwing in as soft as it should. And there should be no reason for that. This should be going in nice and smooth, and it's not. And I'm not sure why. So we'll have to deal with that a little bit. So this is all pretty much done here. This has to go in here. This bolt needs to go in pretty much like a let's try and make sure we got this right here. Sometimes this has to wiggle just right to get in there. I'm not sure why it's not going in. There we go. That's in there. This has to go over this little thing here. Of course, making sure it's in there. That goes over that. I gotta push this. I think my little go in. So this will just snap right in. I'm not sure that, yeah. There we go. Okay, so that's in there. Spring goes in. Guide rod goes in. Now I am not sure whether this went up or down. Yeah, I'm going to have to go look when I pull this out, because I didn't pay close enough attention to figure out if this goes up or down. Ooh, that spring feels a lot more tension than it did before. Okay, so once that goes in there, I think we're pretty much done. That clipped right in there. Guard. This is going in and out. Works no problem. All I really have to do is figure out how this thing goes. And I'm guessing it's got to go this way, because that's the only way it'll fit. So it won't go in this way. So it's got to go this way. So now that I know it goes that way, hopefully I can get this thing in here, which isn't going to be easy. Oh. So that's in there. This should be working now. Perfect. Looks good. I can set this in the stock. Slide that in here like so. Alright, so that slide in there, put my trigger group in here, which should go straight down. Pretty tight little fit. So this normally should not be this difficult to get in. So I'm a little confused on why this is so difficult to get in. I mean, it's good that it's tight, but there we go. Just got to get it lined up right. And this bad boy's back together. Function check, trigger's good. I'm not sure if the if it locks to the rear on the last round. It does. That's good. When I let this go, should stay back. Mag release right here. Should be able to press this. Should let that go forward. Oh. No, I have to pull it back to release it. Okay? Some people say you do it like this, but feels pretty smooth. So all I need to do, get my red dot installed back, get this screwed in all the way, and put that retention screw on this little lug nut. And it is back together. May have not been pretty, but it's functional. Nice. Very nice. Pretty happy with it. Nice little peep sight. Get that red dot up there. Then all I need to do is wipe off any of the wax that I left on here. And I am good to go. And I know this bad boy is clean except for the bolt. I need to take that firing pin out of the bolt, and I will do that. And I will snug this up, find out why it's so restrictive there, and then put that retainer screw in the front there so this locking nut will not come unscrewed. Doesn't need to be tight, just needs to be where that screw gets in one of those little latches. So I will tighten it up just a little bit to get that screw in. I took the magazine apart, pretty dirty. It's back together, good to go. Alrighty, that is the M1A one, cleaning and inspection for my used buy. Well, not there.